If you want a crypto platform built for serious trading rather than just simple buying and holding, Binance is one of the largest and most feature-heavy exchanges in the world. Binance allows you to buy, sell, and trade hundreds of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide range of altcoins. It also offers advanced trading options like spot trading, futures, margin trading, and staking. The app includes real-time charts, order books, price alerts, and multiple order types, giving users full control over how they trade. Beyond trading, it also provides earning features like savings products and staking rewards depending on your region. The biggest advantage is variety and low trading fees. Compared to many platforms, Binance is known for competitive fees and a huge selection of coins and trading pairs. It also has strong liquidity, which means faster order execution and less price slippage during trades. For active traders, the toolset is powerful and highly flexible. But there's a clear downside. The interface can feel overwhelming for beginners, and the number of features often leads to confusion if you don't already understand crypto trading. Regulations also vary by country, which can limit certain features or availability depending on where you live. And like all crypto platforms, market volatility means high financial risk. Binance is best suited for active crypto traders, experienced users, and people who want access to a wide range of digital assets and advanced trading tools. Is it worth using? Yes, for experienced crypto users and active traders, but not ideal for beginners who just want simple, low-risk investing.